welcome to Bitunix, the world's fastest growing crypto and derivatives exchange. Today we're going to be looking at how to become a VIP and what kind of perks do you get by being a VIP on the platform. So let's get right into it. First off, let's look at how you can become a VIP. So right here, I'll make this bigger for everybody. You can see how to become a VIP. There's a few different ways. So the first way is to have a 30-day spot trading volume over a certain threshold. So as you can see on the chart right here, for VIP 0, you're going to be under $100,000 of 30-day spot volume. Same with VIP 1, you have to hit over that. And then once you reach $500,000 of USDT spot volume, you become VIP 2, and so on and so forth. Now this is a little less common. We do have a lot of spot whales, of course, but the way most people earn this is by having either a balance or a 30-day futures trading volume. So if you have over $1 million of 30-day trading volume, you are upgraded to VIP 1. If you have more than $5 million of trading volume on the futures side, this is including leverage, by the way, then you become VIP 2, so on and so forth, all the way up to 200 million USDT. And then the next way is simply by depositing over $1,000 on the exchange gets you to VIP 1. So a very quick way to jump over VIP 0. And you're looking at this trading volume of $100,000 versus simply depositing $1,000. So just simply having money on the exchange is a lot faster in leveling up your VIPs. And having over $10,000 instantly gets you over to VIP 2, $50,000 and above VIP 3, and so on and so forth. And then as you can see, as you level up on the VIP tiers, you unlock lower trading fees. So as you can see, just the jump from VIP 0 to VIP 1, you get a pretty significant spot trading fee difference. And then and I know what you're thinking, it seems kind of small, like just from 0.08 to 0.07, but it adds up, especially on larger swaps and trades. This fee gets reduced significantly and you save a lot of money on this. Same thing on the futures side. As the VIP tiers go down, you start at 0.2% maker fee, and that can go all the way down to 0.006, and then 0.03 for the taker fee, all the way down from 0.06%. So these are huge fees that you are saving money on, especially if you are a high volume trader. You also get a weekly blind gift box. This is depending on which VIP you are in. We also have guaranteed stop loss coupons, meaning there's guaranteed zero slippage, especially for high volume traders. Sometimes you don't fill your stop loss right at the amount. Sometimes even just it goes over $1 or $2. This will be guaranteed at the exact amount. Exclusive financial products, exclusive account manager. So you'll have your own 24/7 support with a personalized account manager. You'll have exclusive events, online and private offline gatherings that you can be invited to, as well as exclusive gifts. And so here's that all again put together in a nice way. So you can see all the requirements here, same thing that I just listed. And for the first time ever, we have a match. So if you're a VIP on any other exchange, you can come here, put in your contact information, and upload proof of what VIP status you are on any other exchange. And Bitunix will actually match it, plus give you a one higher tier than what you have on any other exchange. So if you have any VIP on any other exchange, by simply switching to Bitunix, you will save even more money on your fees instantly just by filling this out. So as you can see, here's another chart that shows you all the differences between each of the VIP tiers, and it'll show you when you get your dedicated account manager is VIP 4, shows you your exclusive gifts, etc. And this is all laid out here. So it is definitely a great decision to become a VIP on the platform. Again, the easiest way is simply just depositing a large balance and trading with it on this platform. You can save up to 87% on all your trading fees. So come join Bitunix. Make sure you just subscribe for the latest tutorials.